This video will show you how to use the program called Ontrack EasyRecovery to restore documents lost after formatting a USB drive. To do it, connect a USB drive containing documents to your computer and format it. After that, start Ontrack EasyRecovery and in the Step 1 window choose Memory Device. Next, in the following window, choose the USB drive and click on Continue. Indicate the case of data loss. In our case, it is Formatted Media Recovery, which means recovering data from a formatted media. Check the settings you selected and click Continue to start the scan. Wait for the scanning to be over. Ontrack EasyRecovery showed all files found on the USB drive in folders according to the file type. Search for the files you need. As you can see, the program only found some files that existed on the USB drive before it was formatted. There are 2 PDF files. Select them, right-click and choose Save As. Specify the folder to save the recovered files, and now the files have been recovered. Now let us scan this USB drive using Hetman Partition Recovery. Choose Full Analysis and wait for the disk scanning process to finish. As we can see, the program has found the files missed by Ontrack EasyRecovery. Though their names were changed, they are placed into folders according to file extensions, and you can find the necessary file after viewing it in the preview window. In summary, we can say that Ontrack EasyRecovery is quite a good piece of data recovery software with a good set of functions. However, as it is often the case, the list of supported languages could be more extended. Still, on the example of data recovery from a formatted USB drive, we can see that for some reason it failed to bring back all files, unlike Hetman Partition Recovery. It is most likely because this program lacks the signature analysis algorithm of Hetman Partition Recovery, which recovers files based on their contents. When finding a certain sequence of bytes on a disk, the program reads it and displays its contents for the user to see. That is why, if you formatted a USB drive and you need to recover the lost files, it would be better to use Hetman Partition Recovery. That is all for now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, click the like button below and subscribe to our channel to see more.